This is a 2007 Volkswagen Routan. It's got a code P0340, which is for the camshaft position sensor. This car has two camshaft position sensors. There's a bank 1 and a bank 2. P0340 is for the bank 1 sensor, which is right in here. The P0345 would be a code for the other bank 2 sensor. To get to that, you have to remove this intake manifold. I'm just going to be replacing the sensor that has the code. First, I'm going to disconnect it. Then I'm going to remove the Torx bolt. The new part I had to get from the dealership. Nobody else had one in stock. The Torx I'm using is a size 27, but I think you could also use a 30.